Hey guys, if you're experiencing the reconnecting issue in League of Legends, then stick with me, as in this video I'm going to share with you all of the steps you need to take to fix this. So the first thing we need to do is open up the League of Legends client, and we want to come to this cog icon in the top right here. And then we want to come down into the game section, and you want to make sure that underneath graphics where it says prefer DX9 legacy mode, that this is ticked, and then we can come into done to save our changes. Once we've done this, we can exit out of the League of Legends client, and you want to come to your desktop where you can find the League of Legends shortcut. And from here you want to right click on this icon and come to open file location. And then from this folder you want to scroll all the way down to find the executable League of Legends client. And then you want to right click on this League client and come into properties, and then into the compatibility tab. And from the compatibility tab you want to make sure disable full screen optimizations is checked, and also run this program as administrator is checked. And then we can come into this tab where it says change high DPI settings. And then you also want to check this box at the bottom here where it says override high DPI scaling behavior. And you want to make sure this is set to application, and then we can come into OK and apply and OK to save our changes. Now, feel free to try running League of Legends again, as that should have fixed the majority of reconnecting issues. But if you still are encountering issues, there's a couple more solutions we can try. First thing you want to do is you want to load up the Riot client, and then you want to come to this profile section in the top right here and into settings. And you want to make sure League of Legends is selected, and then we can click repair to scan our client for any corrupt files. If it does detect a problem, then this button would automatically repair any issues that could be found. If you've attempted to repair the client and still having no luck, the last and final solution is to switch your DNS servers to Google's public DNS addresses, as this can help resolve connectivity issues. So we want to open up our start menu by pressing the Windows key, and you want to search for run. We can hit the run icon here, and in this search section you want to search for control panel and hit enter, and you just want to make sure view by is set to category. And then we can come into where it says view network status and tasks. And over here on the left you want to click change adapter settings. And all you need to do is you just need to right click on the internet that you're currently using. For me that's this one here, and you want to come into properties. From here you want to select internet protocol version 4 IPv4, and again come into properties. And then what you want to do is you want to change where it says obtain DNS server address automatically to use the following DNS server addresses. And then in these boxes we can just type in the following numbers 8888 and 8844, and then hit OK to save our changes. Now at this point in time we can reboot our computer and check to see whether the issue is fixed. If you have tried all of these steps and it's still not working, then please drop a comment below and I'll try my best to assist you. If this video did help you, please drop a like and subscribe. Until next time.